What's up, you squids and kids? My name is Asquin Ninja. In this episode, we will be going to talk to that bird that was shot out of a cannon for some reason. And let's see what he wants. Oh, I hear you have been busy, Mario. Oh my gosh! Retired level designer Yamamura, I am so sorry for shooting you out of a cannon. I actually have a job for you. Airship flight. I'm interested to see what you can do with the cape. Hold B to descend slowly and try to get through this course without touching the ground after your first jump. You're free to grab vines and jump on enemies as long as you don't touch the ground. Well, frick. Good luck. This is going to be hard. At least I'll be gliding around at least. So the cape kind of acts like the thing. Here's what it does. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm not getting that. Okay, time to rest a little bit, and now... Oh, crud! Not crud. Oh, now so excuse me as I kill myself. I got to a checkpoint, right? What crud! Okay, so here's something else. If you were to ever hit the spike traps with your Koopa Clown car, you actually spin out of control, actually. So when you're in areas like this, do not move slowly. Ah! Yeah, you like it too, Cloud. Run, 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 run. Yeah, forget. Up into the heart, to the Mario. Dude! So let's see, now that we have completed that, and we got 300 coins, that's a lot. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah, we completed part of the roof. Now what does Yomayura say? Keep it up and I'll try to find you more jobs. Oh, so we completed them. So I guess he will help you with the jobs, I guess. Well, while at it, check out the castle. Let us build the East Hall roof. Then I think that is enough. Construction has started on the East Hall roof. We got the construction covered. Just get out there and complete more jobs. Let's see what else is going on. Actually, we need to see what Green Toad's doing. Oh no, wait, he hasn't finished yet. Some new jobs just came in. The Underground Menace. I made a mistake of planting a piranha creeper. Thing is massive as all get out. It's taken all over my props. I'll pay you to take care of it. Have fun. Well, that was easy. Okay, so I actually want to talk about some behavior here. The purple piranha creepers move and loop around and move in a straight line. But blue piranha creepers, they move to their end spot and then stop. That's what you get. What the? What really gets me is the blue piranha creepers don't even have like snoring animation. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Be quiet. Be quiet. Double shut up. These piranha creepers have like slower animations, speed animations. Yes! And let's see. And now the roof is complete on the west hall. That means the left side's complete. Now let's see what Toad thinks. Wait, hold on. Does Yamamura have another request? But Yamamura? Yamamura? Hold on, I think I might know where he is. Let's see. Let us go check out the... Let's see what Toad thinks. The roof's finished, so the west hall is done. I don't want to brag, but I did most of the work. Wait, I think I know. He was shot out of that cannon last time, so let's see. Free money! Free money! Free money! Free money! Now, I think I might know where he is. For some reason, I thought he would be in there, but I guess not. And where's Yamamura? Must be in the other pipe. I knew it. It's kind of funny that they had the little cuckoo thing. It just pops out. Alright, Yamamura, what do you have for me? Oh. We meet again. Oh. I have another job for you. Coin collecting on an unmanned airship. Oh. 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 Let's test your skills, shall we? Make your way through the bullet bills and try to collect 50 coins. You can take out the bullet bills by jumping on them, but watch where you land. Oh, good luck. Ah, yes. Darn it! Why are the bullet bills always depicted with arms? Like, yeah, the bullet bills appeared in the first ever game, and that's it. Hey, at least we haven't seen the homing bills yet, or else I'm gonna be mad. When do you go? Those fire and... Crap, it's them. They are way wilder than before. Where are the last coins? Yes! More money. Keep it up, I'll try to find you more jobs. Free money! Free money! Free money! Free money! So he doesn't say anything? Nope. I guess not. Well, let's complete another job. You want jobs? I got jobs. Save me, Snake Block. We're working on a new and novel way to use snake blocks at our new snake block testing facility. Just jump onto a snake block and it'll start moving. Come join us at the forefront of snake block science. Snake Block! Take care up there. Oh, crud. This reminds me of Subnautica. Why do I not even need this? Yes! And open to the heart, to the Mario. Dude. You want jobs? I got jobs. With a lantern. What do you think of this pitch black underground that I made? If you can make it to the end using just some dim light, I'll reward you as well. Think it has to be my foreman's spike or something. What the f- Oh my gosh, that was so funny right there. I jumped on the thing at the last moment. What the f- How the- How? Sans. What the- How? If I can kill a thing!
Oh yeah.
I don't care. Oh, okay. How did I not see that? I can not get up there. That was pretty hard. Oh, so close. East Tower roof complete. Now what, since I'm at 75%, which means only 25% more, and we're done. Your mirror has to be in here. Nope. Now when I come out, does he pop out? Nope. Say, what do you actually say now? We finished the roofs, so the east tower is now complete. The cheap is sure is gifted. Now what? Let's see, more money. Is there anything up here? I guess not, because I haven't seen anything. Nope, it's just Sand Frog. No, just him. Well, I guess we're gonna have to complete more jobs. Let's see. You want jobs? I got jobs. Bouncing on the clouds. Have fun. Reach the goal after grabbing at least 40 coins. Oh, darn it. Hey there. How did I die like that? That is so hard to do. Got one. No, let me in. And open to the heart, to the Mario. Dude! So, I guess now I have enough money. So, next time on Super Mario Maker, we will be building the 3rd floor of the main castle. See you guys then. Don't get cooked, stay off the hook.